Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve, and today we've got something a little bit different. So as of right now, we are actually going to move. We're going to make Diesel basically a new dog house. So as you can tell, he just had kind of like a little kennel over here. He wasn't left outside by any means. Like, he never spent a whole night outside. I don't think he's ever really spent more than maybe 4 hours outside, and that's because I was out here in the driveway. But my kids don't use this playhouse anymore. I'm trying to think of different ways that I can kind of like utilize it. I thought about running a truck through it and start just completely destroying it. However, I think it'd be like a cool little shelter for Diesel to kind of call home. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to come up here with the F450. Obviously you're going to see that in the video. We're going to go ahead and drag this thing down to where he can use it, and then we're going to cut the legs off of this thing here. We're going to cut the legs off and just sit it on the ground, and then Diesel will have his own little home and a new little dog house. So we're going to get a new carpet in here. We're going to kind of really make this his home, and I'm kind of excited about it. He's been kind of a good dog lately. He did run away the other week, which kind of pissed me off, but it is what it is. He's been a good dog. He deserves a nice little shelter. We're gonna go ahead and set this thing up for him and make it freaking nice. The kids are okay with it. The kids are actually all for it. They think it's a cool idea, and plus they'll still be able to use it, and it'll be down there on the ground. So without further ado, I'm gonna set up a GoPro. We're gonna drag this thing hopefully out and around the Tahoe here, not into the Tahoe, and then we're gonna push it back into the place. Oh, and I forgot, guys, before we kick this off, my buddy John Doc is actually going to be here in a little bit to he got a new truck, so he's going to swing by with his new truck and show it to you. And I gotta admit, this truck is badass, and he went from a Chevy to a Ford. That's right, he is now converted to a Ford F450 man. So definitely check him out. John Doc is his YouTube channel. It's kind of cool that he's up here in the area. He's actually out of North Carolina. He does a bunch of drag racing and things like that, and for him to actually go from Chevy to Ford, it's freaking killer. So I'm excited about that. Stay tuned for that. It'll be towards the end of the video here. Not sure how well you guys caught that, but oh yeah, you caught it all. Well, that did not go as planned. I'm hoping I can go ahead and set it back up. And again, guys, this hill is absolutely incredibly steep. It did fall over into the Tahoe. It didn't really do anything but surface scratch it. There is like a little ding here, but it didn't actually do too much damage to the actual truck. So I really should start waiting for people. It did kind of separate, but we can kind of fix the structure as long as I can actually get it back upright. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll the Tahoe down, pull the F450 back up here, try to stand this thing back up, and yeah, let's just get it done. There's a bee. I got stung by a bee last week, and I'm not playing around with them anymore. All right, stand by.
Well, I would say that didn't go as planned, and now I don't know what to do. I think we're just gonna burn it.
All right, well, as you can tell, it is actually here. So Diesel now has a new home, and instead of it having the porch on, you can see it had like probably a 3 or 4 foot porch. It's just going to be the house. So what I'll do is I probably won't end up using that, but I'll probably end up making something in here on the floor for him. I do have a piece of carpet that I can put in, and then I'll just take 2x4s that are up there and just go ahead and go the whole way around the bottom. So basically it just kind of broke off of the structure. It pulled the bolts out right there, which isn't a big deal. I can end up refastening that. I can actually just put a screw from this side in, which I'll end up doing before we end this video. But basically all I need is like 2x4s the whole way around, make my own little floor. You can see everything else pretty much survived. I mean, the roof is actually actually it's still pretty intact. intact. This thing definitely took a hard hit, but man, it's definitely would be nice to have people help me every now and again, but I'm one man. I get done as much as I can in a timely manner, and it is what it is. So really the only damage on the roof is a section right here, which isn't a big deal. I have some extra shingles laying around from my house, so I'll end up just getting a new piece of flashing here, put under here, and he'll be pretty much weather tight. And again, I don't plan on him being outside or anything, but I just figured it'd be cool in case, you know, I'm out here working on a truck and it rains. He doesn't have to go into this kind of crappy kennel. He can actually go into a nice little house here, have ventilation, just be pretty cool. So let's call him over, see what he does. Come on. This is your new house. We're gonna get you a carpet and a bed in here. Maybe get you some water. I don't think you need food because you eat in the house. This is your new house.
Do you like it, buddy?
He's curious. He has no idea. Diesel's never really had a house. I don't leave him outside other than like when I'm working on stuff in the driveway. So hopefully he gets acclimated with it and likes it. We got to get a carpet. We got the carpet up there. We got to drag down here.
Yeah.
Let's drag down that carpet for him.
Yeah, and then we can use one of my pillows that I don't really want.
We're not gonna give him one of your pillows, but that's very nice of you to offer that. We'll get him a bed or something for in here because it'll stay dry. He's shedding too. It's husky season. Ugh. If you got huskies or hairy dogs down below, drop your comments. Is your dog wilting away to nothing?
But if you watch this.
Unbelievable. All right, let's get a blanket in here, or a carpet.
Carpet.
Alrighty, well, Diesel absolutely has not really gone in his house too much. I don't know if he likes it or not, but he was sitting out here cuddling with Mo while she was doing some drawing and some painting while I was working on the ramp truck here. But John Doc is going to be here momentarily, so I will pick back up in a little bit with John. Well, look what the cat drug in. I had to go this direction because the GoPro sucks and it would never pick up any of the light.
You do have a light on that.
Yeah, is there a light on? Oh, there is a light on. I don't even need the light.
Hey, do you want me to do this? Like, just look.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you guys don't know, this is John Doc. He is an inspiration to me.
Oh my God.
I literally met this guy. He had the Camaro. It was my favorite drag car I've ever seen on YouTube after Leroy, but
You know, I brought it back. I fixed it. I raced it one time and it broke on me.
yeah.
And you didn't even say like it looked good or nothing. So
I did.
This is all a lie.
No, when the wheels got put on, when I was down there that time, when you were in the old shop,
Yep.
you put the wheels on, and I was like, man, that is a snazzy looking car.
Yeah. I can't get rid of it. My mom likes it more than I do.
Yeah,
And you.
definitely. And Oh yeah, your mom loves me. I love your mom more than the car too. But John is actually up here for a reason. He's actually moving over from the Duramax family to...
Got me an F450.
Got himself an F450.
I can tell you, I don't think any of my subscribers watch your stuff.
Yeah, I don't think so. Probably
They're
not.
like,
yeah.
We have like an ongoing clash of them just like talking shit. Like you see my subscribers will comment talking shit on you, and yours will be like, come on to my videos and call me like an idiot. And
yeah.
But really, we're just friends.
Definitely. It's super weird how this whole YouTube community thing works. But
it is.
John is actually picking up an F450. I finally got him to convert over. And I converted Chris.
Yeah, so before, I mean, like, we've been... I think it was a little bit of being brand loyal, but it was also because, I mean, in 2015, I'd take this over a Ford truck at that point in time. But right now, the Chevrolet pickup trucks are ass.
Definitely.
Chris got one. You had the first 450 out of everyone I know.
Yeah.
I will say that. And Chris had some Ford trucks back in the day. He got a new 450, and they're just like... They're killer. Yeah,
definitely. Plus, I mean, you guys haul a lot of weight, and not that this can't do it,
well,
but safely, the 450 is going to do it a lot safer, a lot smoother.
We got a stacker trailer. I lowered this. I took a leaf out of the pack.
Yeah.
So, like, I'm capped off at towing, like, a 20-foot trailer with one car.
Yeah.
And, like, a 450. Like, you know, you put anything behind
anything, it doesn't matter.
It tows, it don't matter.
Yeah, it does not matter. Yeah.
Yeah, the Ford stuff is pretty hot right now. And
yeah.
What I'm going to do, I got me a red truck, but... I'm going to wrap it all black, and then I'm going to wrap the bottom of it orange.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to change my YouTube channel to Send It John.
Yep.
And I'm going to take everything I got and just pull motors out of it and put carbureted 454s in it and just rev the shit out of them.
Unbelievable. He's always got to talk some kind of poo, and that's why we love him.
I said in my video, I was talking in the truck before I got up here. I said, I'm just going to like hang out for 10 minutes. I'm going to talk shit on Steve the entire time.
Yeah.
I'm going to give him his check, and then I'm going to leave.
But congratulations on your purchase. I'm definitely editing that out. You might see it in a blooper at the very end of the video.
Just leave it in. Leave it in.
Ah, that's kind of risky.
No, I'm excited.
That's risque.
I got to go to Ohio to pick the truck up tomorrow, and then I'll be driving back by here. So if I'm driving back by here in a timely manner, hopefully when it's daylight out, I'll stop by so you can check it out.
Definitely.
I already got wheels and tires for it.
I'm excited.
I've never owned a dually before. So
I actually really want to see it. I'm not going to lie. Yeah, especially after hearing the color. Yeah. That is actually my favorite color.
It's like the red metallic with a tinted clear coat or something. It looks pretty good. Yeah. I got it used. It's got like 22,000 miles on it.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's a brand new truck. Yeah. I got this one with like 36. Now it's got 156 on it. Yeah. And it's been like perfect.
All right, well, John, Doc, and I are going to get a thumbnail here. If you guys don't know, definitely check him out by now. Killer guy, makes killer content on a regular, too.
Every day. I've not missed one day of uploading this year.
I don't know how you do it.
Noon every single day.
Yeah, I don't know how you do it. You guys see how far I moved? I do like every 3 or 4 days now. I can't do every single day. Insanity. It's a lot of freaking editing, a lot of work.
YouTube channels. So I do one every single day on the John Doc YouTube channel, the LS Nasty YouTube channel, which is the name of my shop. I do once a week.
LS Nasty?
Once a week.
Always repping.
So, I mean, I do 8 videos a week. Steve, everyone comment down below Steve's slack ass. He needs to pick his shit up.
I can't do it. Yeah.
You need to.
Yeah, that's a lot, dude.
I want to challenge you for the rest of this month to do a daily upload.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to go ahead and end it there. We'll pick back up tomorrow on another video, but look for John's video on his new truck. Congratulations on the purchase. And we're going to end it here. Alrighty, guys and girls. Well, that is going to... Neighbors are having a little bit of a party up there. But that is going to go ahead and wrap up for today's video here. I'm excited because there's something down here that I can't wait to show you guys. It'll actually probably be like 2 or 3 days that I'll be able to show you that entire video and everything. But we are making killer headway here on the ramp truck. I am freaking excited. I got the cab just about ready to be lifted off. I did leave it, you know, somewhat on right now. I didn't take the steering column out. I didn't take the brake booster off or anything. Basically, the column is still in. The dash is still pretty much in the truck right now. I didn't want to take that stuff off because I do need to move the truck. I don't want to do everything right here. So I got to get the Avalanche off. I got to move the Tahoe back and just kind of go from there. But I am freaking making killer headway on this truck, and I hope that you guys are excited to see the final product of this thing. So at the end of this video here, I'm going to put in the clips a couple pictures that John Doc actually, you know, got his new truck and everything. Congratulations, John, on the truck. It is a freaking killer truck. I know it's exciting that you got a new truck. I wish I could have seen it. I wish we could have made it work between the two of us, but you know what I mean? It's part of living life. Sometimes you just can't be in the same place at the same time when people are traveling through. So again, John, congratulations. Please, everyone, go check out John Dock. Great guy. If you like drag racing and everything like that, he is definitely the man to follow. Got a great team behind him, and you know, if you want to do storm work, definitely hit him up too. So there you guys, that's going to end the video. Please, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. I know it's not a normal video for me, doing kind of the house moving. I think you got the dog house moving, and you know, somebody coming else and, you know, joining the vlog, but it was kind of cool to be able to collaborate with somebody, you know, and just kind of have some fun. Again, I'm still making progress on the house here, and that's what matters. So with that being said, take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.